Hi, my name is PB, and today I'm going to talk about what is the machine learning. We are going to talk from data engineering perspective what is the machine learning, and so please like and subscribe my channel. So, what is machine learning, right? So, the process of combining input to produce useful prediction on never before you seen the data makes a machine learning from data to make prediction on future data instead of programming every scenario. So I have never seen this image before, but I'm pretty sure that's the cat. So Google Cloud Machine Learning is a set of cloud-based tools and service provided by Google that enable developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning model at a scale. It offers a variety of services such as AutoML, AI platform, and TensorFlow make machine learning more accessible to developers. AutoML allow developers with no prior experience in machine learning to build a custom machine learning model using graphical interface. The AI platform is a fully managed platform for building and deploying machine learning model at a scale. TensorFlow is an open source software library for building and deploying machine learning model. So Google Cloud Machine Learning is also offer pre-trained model for a variety of use cases such as image and speech recognition, language translation, and more, and many more. Additionally, they integrate with the other Google Cloud services such as BigQuery, cloud storage, and Kubernetes provide to seamless to end-to-end machine learning workflow. Overall, Google Cloud Machine Learning is a powerful platform that can help businesses of all sizes to leverage power of machine learning to build an integration application service. So how it works, let's talk about. So this is example. So the tag, TensorFlow, and then no label and test the data. So everything is numbers, and then it can n-dimensional array and called a tensor, hence is TensorFlow. So Google Cloud Machine Learning work by providing set of tools, service that develop use for build, train, and deploy machine learning. Hence here as a basic concept. So for machine learning, basically we would require some data preparation. So first step for prepared data, it will be used for train the machine learning model. Many of involve cleaning, formatting data, ensure the suitable with the machine learning model deployment. Once your data has been prepared, the next step to deploy machine learning model. This can be done using the tools such as AutoML, TensorFlow, depending upon level of expertise of the developer. Training the model. Once the model has been deployed, you need to be trained using the prepared data. Involve the finding of data into the model and adjusting model parameter to optimize its performance. Deployment. Once the model has been trained, it need to deploy into production environment. This can be done using AI platform, which provide a fully managed platform deploying the machine learning model. Monitoring and optimization. Once the model has been deployed, it needs to be monitored and optimized to ensure the continuous platform and high level. This may involve adjusting the model parameter and updating the training and improvement accuracy. Overall, Google Cloud Learning is provide comprehensive set of tools and services that help businesses to build and deploy machine learning model. So let's talk about the type of machine learning. So there are three types of machine learning: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. So, supervised is like linear regression or something, and classification 0 and 1. Let's talk about supervised learning involved training machine learning model using labeled data, which contract output provided for each input. The goal is to learn mapping function from input to the output, so that when the model encountered new input data, it can predict corresponding the output. This type of learning community used for classification and regression problem, such as prediction of price of house and classifying the image of different categories. So here you have input data, you have output data, set of data, and then based on that you need to build a model, and then model to you need to predict. Unsupervised learning involves training machine learning model using unlabeled data, whether its goal is to identify pattern and relationship data without any prior experience of the model. The model must learn group of similar data points together and identify outliers. The try to learning community used for clustering on anomaly direction and dimensional redirection. Reinforcement, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves training machine learning model make sequence decision on environment. Its goal is to maximize reward signal. Model learn by trial and error, receive the feedback from the positive and negative depending upon the decision they make. The type of learning are commonly used for robotics, gaming, and other interactive system. Each of type learning has its own strength and weakness as the choice which type of depend upon the specific problem you are solving and available of data. In some cases, combination of different learning type may be achieved using this result. So there are neural network is a kind of like key terminology. Neural network model compounds layer and consisting of connected units neurons. So that's why it's called neural network. Neuron is nodes, combine input values and create one output value. Input is what you feed to neurons is the cat pics. Feature input variable used for make prediction, detection, email, spam, and like that. Hidden layers, feature engineering, decision which make feature used to model. EPOS is a signal pass through the training data set. So these are terminology you need to learn. And neural language they use a lot of mathematics. So this is weights, bias, ML parameter. So let's talk about. So I'm going to talk about high level. You, if you're really interested, then I can create a courses. Neural network is also known as ANN. Artificial neural network are a type of machine learning model that inspired by structure and function human's brain. They consist of interconnected nodes called neurons that process and transmit information. Neural Neural networks are composed of multiple layers of interconnected neurons. Each layer is contributing to overall processing information. The first layer, called the input layer, receives the input data. The intermediate layer, called the hidden layers, perform the calculation of transform input data into the form of can be used to generate output. Neural network is trained using the process called back propagations, which involve adjusting weights and between neuron and minimize the difference between prediction and output. So neural network is very important. So you can go into deep. So I'm going to the next part. There are some terminology of what is overlifting, cause of overlifting, solving the overlifting problem, regularization type. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.